In this video, I'll show you how to check a Discord member count. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, when it comes to checking a Discord member count, although not all the servers may have it right, but if you want to do this, what you need to do basically head over to the server you want to check, right? So I'm in this server currently, and you can see from here, from this server stats, you can see I've been given the member count of everyone in this Discord, right? If you go on here, you can see all of them right here, right? So there are 7,090 people right here in this Discord server, and there are 576 people currently active and online, right? So I'm using this to just show you an example of what I meant by how to check a member count, right, in a Discord server. So this is basically how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.